You're going to love the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as voice-activated navigation, a trip computer, heated seats, heated door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.